On this list put together by Forbes, we look at the world's richest black billionaires. The majority of the billionaires on the list are self-made, self-starters who built business empires in finance, sports, media, and commodities. Only 3 of the billionaires are from the United States. At number 10 comes Mohammed Ibrahim, worth $1.18 billion. Self-made billionaire, 71-year-old Mohammed Ibrahim was born in Sudan and now lives in the United Kingdom, where he is the 11th wealthiest citizen. According to Forbes, Ibrahim became a billionaire after selling his telecommunication company, Celtel International, in 2005. Now he spends much of his time focusing on improving the lives of African citizens through the Mo Ibrahim Foundation. At number 9 is Folorunsho Alakija, worth $1.49 billion. Folorunsho Alakija, vice chairman of Nigerian oil company Fanfa Oil, got her start in business as the founder of an elite Nigerian fashion label, according to Forbes. The 66-year-old self-made billionaire lives in Lagos, Nigeria, and has 4 children. Her son, Folarin Alakija, recently married an Iranian model in a lavish multi-million-dollar wedding which took place in England. Coming at number 8 is Michael Jordan, worth $1.65 billion. One of the most successful athletes of all time, Michael Jordan, age 54, made a total of $990 million as a basketball player, according to Forbes. Since retiring from the NBA, he has amassed the majority of his wealth through his relationship with Nike and other corporate partnerships. According to Business Insider's Kirk Gaines, Jordan, who also owns a stake in the Charlotte Hornets, now makes more in 1 year than he did during his entire professional basketball career. At number 7 is Patrice Motsepe, worth $2.6 billion. South African Patrice Motsepe, age 55, founder of the mining company African Rainbow Minerals, was Africa's first black billionaire. The father of 3 was also the first African to sign Bill Gates' Giving Pledge, promising to donate at least half of his wealth to charity. Motsepe and his wife Precious created the Motsepe Foundation in 1999 to help create new jobs, support education, and improve the lives of children, the unemployed, and the disabled, among others. Taking the 6th slot is Isabel dos Santos, worth $2.7 billion. The wealthiest of the 3 women to make this list and the youngest black billionaire in the world, 44-year-old Isabel dos Santos, is the daughter of José Eduardo dos Santos, who was president of Angola since 1979 until recently. Her fortune comes from multiple investments, many of which are controversial and linked to her father, according to Forbes, although dos Santos maintain her investments are private and independent. At number 5 is Oprah Winfrey, worth $2.8 billion. Oprah Winfrey, 63, is the only African American woman to make the Forbes billionaire list. Winfrey overcame a tough childhood to become the well-known and beloved media mogul she is today. While generous with her wealth, Winfrey still maintains an enviable lifestyle. Recently, Winfrey delivered the commencement address at Smith College, telling graduates the secret to success is serving others. At number 4 is Robert Smith, worth $4.4 billion. When Robert Smith, age 54, left Goldman Sachs in 2000 to start his own private equity firm, Vista Equity Partners, his co-workers thought he was crazy. But since then, his success and wealth has skyrocketed, landing him on the Forbes billionaire list for the first time in 2016. In 2015, Smith wed Hope Oransky, a former Playboy playmate and mother of his young son, in an incredible villa on the Amalfi Coast in Italy. The private equity titan, who resides in Austin, Texas, recently added his name to the Giving Pledge. At number 3 is Mike Adenuga, worth $5.4 billion. Nigerian Mike Adenuga, age 64, is chairman of telecommunication company Globalcom, which has 36 million subscribers, as well as the majority owner of Lagos-based oil company Kun Oil, as disclosed by Bloomberg. While earning an MBA from Pace University in New York, he drove a taxi to pay the bills. Today, Adenuga, who has 7 children, is the second wealthiest man in Nigeria, as revealed by Forbes. Taking the second position is Mohammed Al-Amoudi, worth $10.8 billion. According to Bloomberg, Mohammed Hussein Al-Amoudi, age 71, moved from Ethiopia to Saudi Arabia when he was 19 and began amassing his fortune from government contracts in real estate and construction. Now, the father of 8 owns businesses across multiple industries, including oil, mining and agriculture in Saudi Arabia, Ethiopia and Sweden. At number 1 is Aliko Dangote, worth $13.8 billion. The wealthiest man in Africa is Nigerian Aliko Dangote, age 60, who has been CEO and president of Dangote Group for 35 years. The majority of his fortune comes from a more than 90% stake in Dangote Cement, Africa's largest producer of cement, which is traded on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. He is also an active philanthropist, serving as chairman of the Dangote Foundation, which focuses on education, agriculture and health-related initiatives. Thanks for watching and please subscribe before leaving.